stop. Do you think celibacy is about saying no to pleasure? His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada taught it is about saying yes to a higher taste. If you miss this, you miss the entire point of spiritual life. Prabhupada explains that Brahmacharya is the fundamental groundwork for genuine spiritual life. Why? Because sex life, whether licit or illicit, steals away one's intelligence, vital energy, and this conserved vital energy is the real power source for the brain, the strength for memory, determination, and devotion service. When you waste that energy for temporary sense gratification, you live on the bodily platform. But when you conserve it, you are refining into a powerful tool for self-realization. This is higher taste, param drstva nivartate. You automatically become detached from lower things because you have found a spiritual joy in serving Krishna. As Srila Prabhupada